Those who destroy people's properties in Ebonyi State are not my men, Simon Ekpa. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome back. Ebonyi Kwezioku. Hello, my people. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, I don't know what you dey wait for. May you quickly go subscribe to this channel as I dey bring am back to back update as e dey hot. Let's go and look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. But may you no forget to turn your notification bell in all our platform on Facebook and on YouTube as well. Okay, the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today, that be the PM wey they call Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. He don come outside come talk say Nigeria government are trying to blackmail IPOB in order way to tag them more as they have been doing, like calling them a terror. Things are happening. He said those where they destroy their properties, and the same people wey tell them to come outside, na them go destroy their property as well. No be small things, so things are really happening. We are going to play you the video. May you watch, but may you try to watch this video from beginning to end so that you go understand everything where they go on. Oya, stay tuned and watch the video with us. While we come back, we'll analyze it more better.
The Nigeria terrorist government has done it again today once more in order to blackmail the civil disobedience of the Biafra movement. Today, they attacked innocent Biafrans, even when we know and told them that sometime when this Nigeria DSS, terrorist DSS, will come to attack, they will also not make available security to protect you, because they are the one that is going to perpetrate that heinous act. Today they have done it in Ezambo, another part of Ebonyi State. And yet, nobody was there to protect those that were pushing to come out. The same people who asked you to come out are the same people who will come to attack you, burn your properties, and then blame it on Biafra. But you know, like we have told them, no amount of burning will stop what we're doing. It is not more than what they have done in other states. In Imo State, for example, the military, you wear their clothes, they don't even come like Onongo men. They wear their clothes, carry their armor tanks, carry their helices, and enter villages and start burning them. So we have seen worse than what we see today in Ezambo, Ebonyi State. And it is not going to move us. Our sit at home remain. Our curfew remain from tomorrow 6 to 12. Those who will push you to come out will still be the one that will bring people to attack you. And then nobody will be there to protect you. So I don't know how many times you are going to learn. We told you all they do is to do everything possible to sabotage the mechanism that is working for us. And of course, they never learn their lesson. You also never learn your lesson. Because if they actually learn their lesson, they would have known for the past 2 years, no amount of attack will make us step back an inch. Not me. Not in this struggle. Till Biafra come. Our air is air. Our yes is yes. Our no is no. Our go is go. Our come is come. Our stop is stop. We are not going to step back an inch of the template we are using to delegitimize Nigeria government within Biafra land. So if you want to make yourself available to be used for propaganda, that is what you have seen today in Ezambo. In as much as my heartfelt, sometimes I don't know the kind of brain some of you have. The people we are struggling to protect will make themselves available to be used. The people we are struggling to liberate from this carnage, from this barbarism, from this genocide, from this bondage and subjugation. You make yourself a willing tool because somebody is somewhere promising you one chicken change. You think Simon Ekpa orders it at home. No. Why is Simon Ekpa going to order it at home? We are going to fight it. We are going to fight it. No, 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 no. Like one of the idiots who was making the video was shouting, I am the coordinator. I am the coordinator. They have burned my bike. They have burned my machine. I'm a coordinator. I'm the coordinator. Simon Ekpa boys. Simon Ekpa boys. Already he knows who is Simon Ekpa boys and who is not Simon Ekpa boys. He already made the conclusion. Because it is something that he is part of. But sometimes he didn't know that he's going to also pay the price today. And they burnt his bike. These are people who have sold their hand, and they are ready to sabotage the Biafra. And I hope one day some of them will pay the ultimate price. Because you can't be fighting what people have died for many years. And then you are there shouting, I'm the coordinator, I'm the coordinator. If you're the coordinator, what the hell are you doing outside? If not that you have been prepared, I told you to come out and video it. You came out with your phone, and then so that immediately the thing happened, they will start shouting, Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa. You didn't know that they are going to burn your own bike. I want to make it very clear, we are making tremendous progress in delegitimizing Nigeria. Our focus is to delegitimize Nigeria until nothing is remaining. Our focus is on the security, terrorist security in Nigeria and nothing else. Those of you who want to be made a willing tool, you have seen it today. So, sorry to those of you who made yourself available for Nigerian government to use you. There you are there shouting, oh, they are burning this, they are burning that. Those who told you to come out, where are they? They were not there. You people are idiots. You people are idiots. Now they destroy your car, they destroy your bus, they destroy your machine, they destroy your shop. The people who asked you to come out were not there. But they are the same people who did this particular destruction. And you came with your phone videoing it, shouting, 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 thinking that anybody care for you. They don't care for you. They have used you now, thinking that they can do propaganda against someone. You see, for the past 2 years, there is no amount of propaganda you have not done against Simon Ekpa. You killed the woman in Enugu, the pregnant woman in Enugu. Did they stop the sit at home? The answer is no. They killed this one, killed that one. Did they stop the sit at home? The answer is no. We are not moving. So those of you who watch what happened today, because Nigeria government paid you and tell you to come out, you didn't know that your bike, I know, maybe some of you, they will buy back for you behind the scene. That's what they do. They will burn your bike and give you money. I remember Enugu, when Mba was telling them to come out, they have planned everything. When they come out, they will destroy it, and then they will pay you. They will pay you money, they will give you money, everything. Yet, when they killed people in Enugu, they seized the corpses. They seized the corpses. Did they stop the sit at home? The answer is no. If you think it is when they kill you, Simon Ekpa is going to call off the sit at home, my brother, my sister, you better go and just buy your casket. Sit at home, we continue. Make yourself available for Nigerian government to use you for propaganda. It is your cup of tea. We stand this ground. Our demand is our demand. There is no going back. And those of you who do not want to be part of Biafra, pack your bag and leave Biafra land. I'm telling you, it is not going to be very conducive for you. Those of you who have been sabotaging Biafra from the time immemorial, it will not be very, very conducive. Pack your bag and go. I am telling you the fact. The people of Biafra has risen up and nothing will stop them. And those of you who want to be used, go out and buy your casket. Because they're going to use you and they're going to kill you and will watch you and analyze you like this. Fight against Nigeria is with everything in us. Everything. Everything. And that's why we're defeating them. Everything. Today they went to, yesterday, today they released, the terrorist army released press statement. Oh, they have neutralized IPOB, ESN. And you know one funny thing? We have taken responsibility of neutralizing many Nigeria terrorist military. We call it Biafra Liberation Army. We neutralize them, we post them on social media. Yet, they are not acknowledging it. Ask yourself why. Are we hiding it? We are at war with them. We neutralize them when they come to kill us. We kill them. And we measure how many of them. And then we post the ammunition and the arms we recovered from these terrorists. We recovered the hillosses. We recovered machine guns. We post it. But have you seen the reporting that Biafra army did this and did that? No. They still target gunmen. Have you seen anything like that? They are still targeting what? The army I am leading. Taking responsibility of this particular security in Biafra land. I'm taking responsibility. I said, Biafra Liberation Army, neutralize Nigeria army, kill them who come to kill Biafra. We recovered ammunition, arms that they used to come to kill us. We recovered their vehicle. We posted it. Did you see them report it? No. Did you see them write, Biafra Liberation? No. They still are writing gunmen. What is gunmen? We have a name. Our names are Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighters. And Biafra Navy, the Black Marine. Why are they not saying it? Why? We are going to also, or is it because we have not launched it officially? Okay. If that is the case, we are going to launch it very soon. If the official unveiling is the reason they are not acknowledging the job that highly trained Biafra Liberation Army, internationally trained, in case they don't know. Because they'll be wondering, who are those guys? Who are those guys? They are internationally highly trained Biafra Liberation Army with many years of experience. In case you don't know. Biafra land is sealed, protected. Nobody will come there and kill and go free. Nobody. We have overpowered them. I am telling you the fact. The criminal politicians know what I'm saying. They know that we have overpowered them. And we have not even started. Because all of them that participated in ordering this military to go and burn the villages, burn the market, their homes will also be razed down. I am telling you, from A to Z.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video and how everything where PM will be Simon Ekpa talk for this particular video. To tell you, say things are really going on, but some people don't know. We will advise you people that see this thing that happening, it better protect your life because nobody is there to protect you. Those who are telling you, come outside or do this one or do that one, when it happened, they are inside with their family. Most of them, their family are not even in Nigeria, but they will be the one are telling you to come outside, and they refuse to talk about the issue that we have on hand. People are very funny, but however, I want may I leave you, may you contribute put for this matter. Tell us wetin be your opinion. If you fully support wetin Simon Ekpa dey do and the things wey talk for this video, may you write support. If you get your own agreement wey you make, put, may you start drop am below so that we go read am and we go talk about am for our next videos. Okay, my people, we will see you for the next update. Try to share this video as you can and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.